Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we're going to introduce you to the Multi-Lift Multiple Purpose Transfer Lift System shown for use to lift a wheelchair into the rear of a Ford Expedition or Lincoln Navigator. The Multi-Lift, as you may know, is a multiple purpose lift designed around the unique concept that one lift does all of your lifting and transferring. So the same lift that we use to lift your wheelchair into the rear of your Ford Expedition can also be used to lift you into the front of the vehicle, in the passenger front or in different positions of the vehicle. But it doesn't stop there. The same lift can be used to get you into and out of your bathtub, hot tub, swimming pool, RV, in and out of bed, in use with a portable base. The possibilities are nearly endless with a single, cordless, and very adaptable product. So here, once we get up to the top level here, we're going to be able to get inside the vehicle. And the great part of the system is we literally have not drilled any holes in the vehicle in order to do this. And all the different compartments and the trim panels of the vehicle on the sides are all just like original. So here we go. We're right inside. We're going to disconnect. Down, and we're ready to hit the road. Now, the great part is you'll notice that we have literally not modified the interior. So we're going to bring the camera right over here. You can see that this area right here, so we do have a modified sill plate right here, but that's supplied by Access Unlimited. All of this area right here, this is super strong, and this all goes into factory holes, and you can even look and see you still have access to your compartments and all your functionality. The system is also supplied with a tie-down system that is not shown here that will stabilize the wheelchair and the lift while the unit is in motion. I'll give you a little closer view here. Go right into the factory holes there, and there's structure that goes underneath that goes up into the front there, gives it lots of strength, and we can lift up some pretty heavy wheelchairs. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have mobility in the way that you want, with the products that you want and the vehicles that you want, with flexibility at a price that's affordable. If you'd like to learn more about our company, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter, and you can follow us on Twitter at accessun. Instagram, we are Access Unlimited. Pinterest, we are Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel has nearly 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. And of course, our website for contacting us is www.accessunlimited.com. And you can also give us a call the old-fashioned way at 607-669-4822. Evenings and weekend Eastern Standard Time, you can reach us at 615-873-0518. Country code is 1 if you're calling from outside the U.S. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video and listen to learn a little bit about what we're doing and what we can offer. Have a great day and enjoy our products, and stay safe.